The East Khasi Hills District Administration on Tuesday stated that ban order on the collection of tolls by the Hima Sohra from trucks entering the Majai land custom stations for export was issued following complaints. East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner S.C. Sadhu said that there are reports about law and order problems which prompted the order. Acknowledging the Meghalaya High Court order on 2022, this DC said even if the High Court allowed the collection of the customary toll by the Hima Sohra, it does not mean that any person operating the toll gate can do anything without a proper accountability system.
We have got complaints from different quarters, particularly, and there is a disturbance of law and order in that particular area due to this export and the collection of the illegal toll by the people over there. So that's why we had to issue this order to stop it, to further particularly or concerning the law and order. But if they have any concerns about this order, they can always approach this office so that we will study it, we will take appropriate measures. But in that aspect, they did not come to our office so far.